Hey everyone, welcome back to For Wheels Empire. Today, we're tackling a common trouble code, P0107. If you've seen this code pop up on your skin tool, it means there's a low voltage issue with the map sensor. In this video, I'll walk you through what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it yourself. Let's get started. The P0107 code means that the reading from the map sensor is lower than normal parameters. At minimum, the reading should be 0.5 volts, and anything else means that the sensor is faulty or there's a problem with the wiring. The good news is that on most vehicles, the map sensor is pretty easy to access. Defective map, baro sensor, electrical fault open, short, or high resistance in the circuit. Vacuum leaks, defect in the exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) system. PCM issues, such as software in need of an update. Check engine light illuminated, hesitation upon acceleration, and generally poor idling and running. Backfire due to the map sensor and throttle position sensor not operating. Together, increased fuel consumption. First, grab an OBD scanner to confirm the P0107 code. If you don't have one, you can pick one up or visit an auto parts store. Most will scan your car for free. The map sensor is typically located on the intake manifold, either next to or on the throttle body itself. First, carefully remove the map sensor from the engine. Inspect the map sensor for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the map sensor. When you install a new map sensor, check to make sure the new ring is in place and not damaged. Once you've replaced or reconnected the sensor, it's time to clear the P0107 code using your OBD scanner. After clearing the code, start your engine and take the car for a test drive to ensure the code doesn't return. If everything's good, congratulations, you fixed the issue. And that's how you diagnose and fix a P0107 code. Remember, if the code comes back, it might indicate a deeper issue with your intake system or ECM, and you may need to consult a professional. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DIY automotive tips. Catch you in the next video.